Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Litecoin from Coinbase to Kucoin in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your crypto holdings or just exploring new exchanges, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and Kucoin, and that your Litecoin is available in your Coinbase wallet. Always enable two-factor authentication for security. It's a must in the crypto world. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and select Litecoin. You'll see an option to withdraw. Click on that. Now, before you proceed, you need the deposit address from Kucoin. Open a new tab and log into your Kucoin account. Go to your wallet, select Litecoin, and choose the deposit option. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that down carefully, as any mistake here could send your funds to the wrong place. Back to Coinbase. Paste the Kucoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Coinbase will show you the estimated fees, so keep an eye on that. Double-check everything: address, amount, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this through email or your authenticator app. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your Kucoin account. You should see the Litecoin arrive soon. Pro tip: use a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official one to track your transaction in real time. And there you have it. Your Litecoin is now on Kucoin. Always be cautious with withdrawals. Crypto is irreversible, so verify details twice. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.